Hey guys, it's John from Jeep Budget Builds. Behind me is my 2007 Jeep JKU with a 3.8 liter. The 3.8 liter makes about 202 horsepower from the factory. There's really not a whole lot of ways to beef this up. Some people have tried putting cams in them, adding intakes, headers, exhausts and stuff. You might net maybe 20 to 30 horsepower from that. Superchargers, $3,000 to $5,000, might net you another 100. At 100 horsepower, you're now up to what the 3.6 makes. One of the best things you can do for a 3.8 liter is add a throttle controller to it. There are many throttle controllers out there. I picked up one by the brand of Hikeit. We're going to do a throttle control install today and show you how easy it is and how much difference it'll make in your throttle response. It doesn't give you any more horsepower, but what it does do is make the horsepower you have more usable. So I want to show you the packaging the Hikeit comes in. Nicely displayed. Comes separate packets for your display face. This one is your wiring harness. Already comes with alcohol swab for mounting the 3M tape on the display face. Get a nice little Hikeit keychain with it. This is a black face that can go over top of the white face that comes on it in case you want to change the color. Got a couple of stickers in here, and the most important thing, a very detailed instruction manual showing you all the different modes and how to install it. One thing that is important in there is that you need to let your vehicle sit for 10 minutes with the key off in it in order to stop the signal going to the throttle. One nice thing though is you don't have to disconnect the battery in order to install this. You just need that 10 minutes for the signal to the throttle to stop. A couple other nice features on here are there are different settings for cruising, racing, four-wheel driving, economy. It even has a theft lockout on it, which is kind of nice, so we'll test that out at some point too. So let's go get this. I removed this access panel underneath the steering wheel to get better access to the top of the throttle pedal. Next, we unhook the wiring to the top of the throttle pedal, marked by this blue paint here. The Hikeit goes in between the throttle and the wiring there. Very simple install, click and play. Next, we cleaned up the mounting area with some alcohol rubs and then installed our faceplate. Very simple, quick install. Okay, so I started this install at 12:50. That included the intro to it, and it's 1:15 now. It's all wrapped up. I went for a test drive. It was very easy to use. It's a nice product. Played around with the race mode a little bit, and then the cruise mode. The cruise mode seems to be what I'm going to use it at. You can adjust the cruise mode so you can get a little more throttle response to pull out into traffic. The race mode is extremely touchy and almost unusable for a Jeep. I'm excited to see the fuel economy mode and test out and see if I can get better fuel economy out of my Jeep. So the only last thing to do now is put my Hikeit sticker on, and here, you know, stickers give you another 25 horsepower per sticker, so I'm gonna get that put on there and see if I can go any faster. This is John for Jeep Budget Builds. Thank you for watching.